Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register an electricity complaint online. We will go through the simple steps to ensure your power issues are addressed quickly and effectively. This digital process helps you avoid long wait times and provides a clear record of your complaint. You can report outages, billing discrepancies, or other service problems with just a few clicks. It is a user-friendly way to connect with your electricity provider from anywhere. Before you begin, gather some crucial information to make the process smooth and quick. You will need your unique electricity account number, typically found on your bill, for identification. Clearly describe the issue you are experiencing, whether it is a power outage, voltage fluctuation, or a billing error. Having your exact meter number and a working contact email or phone will also be essential for updates. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to your electricity provider's official website. Once there, locate the customer service or complaint section, usually found in the main menu or footer. This portal is designed for ease of use, guiding you through the necessary steps. You might need to either log into an existing account or create a new one to access the complaint form. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site's layout. Chess offers you two different castling options, each providing unique strategic benefits. Kingside castling, often called castling short, involves the rook on the H file. Your king moves 2 squares to the right, and the rook then jumps over it to land on the F file. Queenside castling, or castling long, uses the rook on the A file. Here, your king moves 2 squares to the left, and that rook then moves to the D file, positioning it further from the corner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.